What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's been a while. Please share, like and subscribe, get involved. I've got a nice car for you today. Yes. Yes, it's been sat in my archive for a while. I've been trying to work out what's the best way to bring it to the channel. It's one of those ones where you either like it or hate it, the Marmite effect. I totally love it. I was so excited to work on this vehicle when from the initial inquiry the customer made right to the finished product. I was really excited. This vehicle was dropped to us all the way from County Durham. Okay, that should give you some reassurance as to why you should bring your cars to us. Why to me especially, because I have history, you know what I mean? Nobody else modifies cars the way I do. Anyway, that's a different story altogether. We'll get back onto that on a different day. Today we have for you a Ford Focus ST. Okay, it's not just an ordinary ST. This is a special one. It's been modified in a special way, which I like. The good old Max Barra era. You're not gonna like it, as I said. It's got everything you could possibly want on a modified car. It's got a livery, Kung Fu Panda livery. It looks absolutely amazing. It really stands out. Right from the wrap to the engine bay, the complete modification flows through, and it's come to us to get the Lambo door fitted. Some of you are going to probably hate it, but I think it's just finishes off the look of the car. It looks absolutely amazing throughout, and we had absolute pleasure working on it. We've had to have this kit specially made for this vehicle. It took a while, and customer was patiently waited as well. And eventually, after 7 weeks of waiting, when it was finally delivered from Germany, it was all down to your Brexit voting. Actually, the reason why everything is delayed now, is because of Brexit. So whoever voted Brexit, thank you very much. You know, UK is not better now, isn't it? Anyway, that's a different story again. We get back to the cars, leave the politics to the politicians, and I'm delighted to unveil this kit to you. Check it out. It's absolutely beautiful. One of the best kits you will get out there in the market. It is a patented version, and it is the very best that you can actually get in the market. So don't get anything other than these. You will not regret it. I've had these since the early 2000s, and it's still going strong on my kit. These LSD doors are, as I say, patented, and it will last, probably outlast the car. It is the very best. So as you can see, we've taken off the wing and the door, and we're just trimming the edges of the wing here, just so it doesn't get in the way of the hinge. It doesn't really affect the look of it as it's inside. We've fitted the first bit of the kit just here. As you can see, the screen wash bottle is in the way, so we'll have to remold that and make sure it goes around the kit and fits snugly. It's a bit more of an extra work which we didn't need, but it is something that we'll have to do. So we're just taking off the bottle, remolding it, and then gonna have to put it back. Now have a look at the engine bay. If you're going to modify a car, make sure you address the engine bay. This owner has gone all out, hasn't left any bit untouched. That's what you call spectacular. The engine dressing is phenomenal. Attention to details is absolutely amazing, and this is what I like about this car. That exhaust is huge and sounds absolutely amazing. Ain't no car complete without having the custom exhaust. This is just perfect as that rumble and that roar. Now please tell me this car does not look absolutely phenomenal with these Lambo doors. Completely transformed the look of the car. Looks like as if it's about to take off. Take a moment and soak in the beauty of this car. Jeez, I'm in total love with cars like this.
Who's your friend?
Wow, absolutely wow.
What's his
Have
name?
you seen anything as beautiful as that? Probably not. You know that saying,
Lee Morgan, who does?
if Carlsberg made cars, they'd probably make it like this.
Sunday going crazy. Took you to the brain. She said, don't wanna be with you, let's say my name. I just give another excuse, yeah, she don't wanna say. I just said the four little words on so she play my game. And she said that she love me, but she wants someone new. Want 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 someone new. Yeah, I told her I just need some time. She told me she's just trying to be right. Told her you do not care about mine. Thinking that we gon' be end of time. I told her I just believe the lies. Maybe it's cliche, but I'm fine. Maybe you should check on me tonight. Cause I took you to the brain. She said don't wanna be with you, let's say my name. I just give another excuse, yeah, she don't wanna say. I just said the four little words on so she play my game. And she said that she love me, but she wants someone new. Want 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 someone new. Yeah, she thinking that it's over now, but I can't think of anyone but you. But you, I thought that we're getting closer. Guess I was wrong, I don't know what to do. She's saying, although my mom wish I could just say rewind, that I would be one goodbye. Cause I can't take it, no lie. Wishing that I wasn't around to run away. If it was me, you'd probably stay away. Yeah, she probably thinking about me when it's late. Yeah, but probably